Hey guys, Martin with Cypress Computers, and today we're going to discuss a very special motherboard that we have in stock. It's called the TUF X299 Mark II. This is from Asus. This is a very special motherboard. It's the X series on the Intel, so for those who want to go really high-end on 3D rendering, virtual reality gaming, and even simulators, this takes a thick processor, guys. The X series processors, which can go from i7 to i9, it's got 8 slots of RAM. If you can see the spot right here on the left, this is a thermal, so for those who want to do overclocking, it's gonna go great. It's gonna handle it fine. You can even do 3D prints on the sides right here. You can mount like a fan on the M2 slot, so to make it cooler or whatever. On this side right here, you got another M2, which you can put vertical with the bracket. On the other hand, you can do SLI as well. You can do all kinds of RGB lighting, you know, all the little funny things. This is a very special motherboard. If you have any questions about this motherboard or any builds, future builds, you can give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.